Hello everyone and welcome to the JB Edit and welcome to yet another episode of Makeup by a Novice. So today I have gone out of my comfort zone and created this very bright pink smoky eye. I have used a very affordable palette to achieve this look and I think that it turned out well. I was not very confident while doing this, but I think it's not that bad. All of the products that I have used are very affordable, and if you are interested in knowing how I created this look and what all products I use, then please keep on watching. I'm going to prep and prime my face using the Good Vibes Orange Face Gel. This is an extremely hydrating and moisturizing face gel and serves as a great makeup base. I will also prime my lips using the Nivea Lip Balm. Next, I'm taking the foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 320 Natural Buff. I will dot the foundation all across my face and neck and buff it using a foundation buffing brush. This has a very good medium coverage. For concealer, I'm going to use this Insight Concealer. It is a very affordable concealer, but it is very nice and blends like a dream. For setting the concealer and my entire face, I'm using this Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact and setting my entire face. For bronzer, I will use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 330 Toffee. It is a very warm and nice shade and is perfect for bronzing up the face and bringing color to the perimeters of the face. I will also put this on my crease to bring that light flush of color to the eyes. Next, I'm taking this Mars eyebrow kit and brushing my eyebrows with the help of the brush that comes along with it, and then filling it with the darkest brown shade in the palette. This is a very affordable eyebrow palette, but it works really well. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Mars eyeshadow palette and taking this brown shade, I'm going to brush this all across my crease. I'm taking this pink color from the palette and then putting it on my eyelids. I will intensify the color using a flat shader brush. This is a nice color and brings a lot of definition to the eyes. I will also sweep this on my lower lashes. Then taking this orange shade from the palette, I will put this on my crease again to bring more definition to the crease and diffuse the color that I put on the lid. This is a very nice shade and it will bring that nice transition color to the crease. Next, I'll take this shimmery pink eyeshadow and pat it all across my eyelids with the help of my fingers. This is a very pigmented color. I will put on the falsies. These are from Swiss Beauty. For my inner lashes, I'm taking this Maybelline mascara and coating my lower lashes nicely. I'm taking this nice highlighting color from the eyeshadow palette and highlighting my inner corners. Next, taking this very corally blush from the Swiss Beauty blush palette. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Next, I'm taking this NYB lip crayon. This is a very nice lightweight formula. I wanted a very nude lip, so I'm putting this Blue Heaven liquid lipstick on top of the crayon. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals and highlighting my entire face. I wasn't satisfied with how my lips was looking, and so I went in with a lip topper. This is from Insight Cosmetics. And yeah, this is how the final look came out. So this is how the look turned out. I was not very confident when I started doing the look, but I think it turned out pretty well. I actually like the eyes. I have tried this pink smoky eyes and I think it turned out well. And the palette that I used, this Mars palette, is so inexpensive yet so pigmented. The formula of the shadows is buttery soft and they are so pigmented. I played with only 5 colors and I absolutely loved it. I am dying to play with all the other colors. We'll definitely create more looks with this palette, and if there are more variations, more color variations of this palette, I'm definitely going to grab them. So if you haven't tried this palette already and if you're contemplating whether you should buy this palette, then I would highly recommend this one. I think you should definitely go ahead and try this. So all in all, I think the look did not turn out so bad. So if you like this video, please please do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content from my end, then please do consider subscribing. That would genuinely mean a lot to me. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.